Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Amnesia News. I hope you will be fine. This time talk about this S-Pen warning might explain leak of QI2 magnets on Galaxy S26 Ultra by Benny Conver updated on 26 February 2026 Galaxy S News. Something has once again disappointed fans as the Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks built-in QI2 magnets. However, there may be a reason behind this move. If you use a third-party magnetic case, the phone displays a warning that magnets in accessories can interfere with the S-Pen signal. Built-in magnets would likely cause similar issues, and the company may be prioritizing S-Pen performance over native QI to spot. Galaxy S26 Ultra struggles to balance the S-Pen and QI2 magnets. As the Galaxy S26 Ultra sports 25-watt wireless charging on an upgrade from the 15-watt speed of its predecessor. However, to take advantage of this capability, you will need a capability magnetic case. Samsung has also introduced magnetic cases for the Galaxy S26 Ultra that enable QI2 charging. These cases probably do not interfere with the S Pen. However, when using a third-party magnetic case on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, tipster Max Chamber came across a notification explaining how magnets can affect S Pen. The description reads, magnets in accessories can interfere with your S Pen signal. Try removing your accessory if you notice connection or writing issues. In fact, Samsung has displayed similar warning on previous Ultra models such as the Galaxy S25 Ultra, so this has been a long-standing issue and the company has not addressed it yet. It still seems unable to figure out a way for the S Pen and built-in magnets to break together seamlessly. This might be the reason why Samsung still relies on magnetic cases for QI2 charging rather than integrating magnets natively. Another letdown for long time Ultra fans is that the Galaxy S26 Ultra does not have a Bluetooth-enabled S Pen. In other words, the new styles does not support Bluetooth features such as ear actions. Pre-order the Galaxy S26 series through our mystery box program to receive a bundle of free gifts. Each box includes 65-watt Gen charger, USB-C wired earbuds, case, screen protector, desktop stand, cleaning kit, screen protector, and a few extra surprises. Shipping is on us. Only fill out this verification form to claim your box. Open the link in Chrome, Samsung Internet, or any web browser not in the Shop Samsung app to avoid errors. Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice